This is the date input template at SharePoint-dashboards.com. This template allows users to update the date inline either by clicking on the date or clicking on simple plus minus buttons that appear directly in the SharePoint interface. So what this lets you do is take a simple date field, which normally you could only update in the form mode by clicking on edit for the item, and instead be able to do that directly from the list view. In order to use this template, you do need to provide the name of your date field. So in here I've got a couple of date fields that I'm going to update. The first one's called date edit. And so what I need to do is come over here, and in this date field I need to just type out the name of my SharePoint field. And then I've got some different options I can turn on and off for this template. So I can fine tune how wide this is. I can adjust the buttons, all kinds of things like that. So once you've got your field input and it appears the way you want, in terms of the colors, the font size, all those kind of things, then you just click on Copy Template and then follow the directions in the pop-out window, and then go over to SharePoint, go to the column header, and then format this column, and then Advanced Mode, and just paste in your template. Okay, so it changed the appearance of my date column. It now has buttons which appear directly in line. So I can go ahead and try that out. So if I click the plus, you'll notice the value in the date is being incremented up. If I click the minus, it's going down. Additional to that, this opens up inline edit mode for that field as well. So if I don't want to just update the date like that, I can just use the traditional month view calendar date picker. So it gives a lot of flexibility, and it's just making it really easy for users to update that date field. So just for practice, I'll do one more column. We'll do date complete. We'll use a little bit different formatting for this one just to show a different appearance. This time let's take off curved border. Maybe you want to go for a little bit bigger button size, and we'll go for a different font size. We'll go bigger on that as well. And you got to make sure you give it enough width. Let's see if this is going to work. I think it'll work. I would just copy the template, hit OK. Oh, whoops, this field's called date complete. You do need to make sure you enter the name of the column that you're applying it to. There we go. Now I'm ready. I can go over to my date complete column, go to the column header, column settings, format this column in advanced mode, select all, and paste. And this is just showing you a different appearance that you might get. So it's the same type of functionality. You can see I have square buttons instead, and I can control all of the colors, the font, everything about this. The idea of this template is to give your users a really fast way to be able to update dates directly from a list view instead of having to go into the form to do that. So once again, this is the date input template at SharePoint-dashboards.com. This is a free template. You can sign up for your free account, which includes 20 free templates, by just going to this site, and you'll get your own login so you can do that. Additional to these templates, there are more than 100 professional templates which include all kinds of great ways to improve the appearance of your SharePoint lists and dashboards. I hope you find that useful and you're able to set this up in your SharePoint list to help your users have a quick way to update dates. Good luck!